your name?
My name is Nam.
Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand,
Where in Thailand?
Bangkok.
Bangkok, you?
My name is Am. I'm from Bangkok with
Bangkok,
her.
you?
My Ben.
From
Same.
Bangkok, the same. So, are you a student or you work?
No,
in
I'm work. I'm work.
Both of you?
Yes.
Three of you. So my question is, why did you decide to come to Laos?
Because I think Laos is culture is beautiful. I จะบอกว่าอะไร I never come to Laos.
Okay, this
That
is your
first time.
your
Yes.
first time. So is that similar to Thai? After you being here?
I think
Your view?
Lao is same time.
Same.
Yeah, similar
Yes.
to Thai.
But
Different. Some culture is different.
Yes.
Some culture is same.
Yeah.
Thai.
Yeah. So my question is, so what come in your mind when I say the word Laos? What come in your mind? Thai
people.ไม่รู้
So what do you know about Laos before you come here?
I
Do Thai people watch something from Laos on YouTube, on TV, or something like that? Do they know about Laos culture?
I know
I-
Lao from TV.
TV.
Yes,
YouTube,
and
newspaper.
yes, and
From Thai
some
celebrities?
YouTuber, yeah.
Yeah.
Some YouTuber who,
Yeah.
who
Thailand
are
YouTuber.
YouTuber
Yes.
they come to Laos,
Yes.
and introduce them. So does it mean you follow from them and to come here?
Yes,
So this is your first time only in Vientiane?
yes,
Oh.
I'm first time.
So where are you going to next?
Next, I will go to Wang Vieng.
Yeah.
Yes, next day.
Wang Vieng.
Yes.
So Bangkok is interesting city. It's because touristy city. A lot of Korean there. A party all the time. Crazy party all the time. You love that? It's good, okay. There are a lot of activities to do there.
Yes.
You must try.
Yes, too
You been
much.
to Luang Prabang?
I 3 day,
3 days.
only 3 day. Yes.
Three,
in-
yeah.
yeah.
That's cool. In general, what do you think about Lao guys?
No, I never. I'm not.
Is similar to Thai?
Same Thai guy.
I don't know
Okay.
because I'm not
Okay,
not yet
thank you for
not
your
yet
answer.
for.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
welcome to Laos.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, ขอบคุณครับ
석답.
Yeah. My question is, why did you decide to come to Laos?
Tour.
Yeah, for tour.
Yeah, visiting.
So, what come in your mind when I say Laos?
형, 나 이거 찍어줘야지. Peace and 평화로운 peace 말고 또 뭐 있지? Happiness and joy
Yeah.
and kind of Laos people.
Yeah. So, what do you like about Laos?
Pardon?
What do you like about Laos?
Activity and food.
Yeah. My last question is, what do you think about Lao girls?
Laos dog?
Girls. the
Laos girls?
Yeah.
Pure and kindness and good at smiling. Positive things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for your answer.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.